just like, I went bungee jumping. It was a lot of fun.
During a radio interview, 16-year-old singer Justin Bieber's cell phone revealed Mike Gundy's I'm 40 postgame of 3 years ago as the teen heartthrob's ringtone. No kidding. The I'm 40 speech will never go away. Bieber explaining why the Gundy voice is on his cell.
That's my ringtone for everything.
Oh, it is?
Come after me. I'm a man. I'm 40. He said, don't come after some kid who's been doing everything right.
Come after me. I'm a man.
Yeah, it's funny. So I just watched the video. I thought it was funny, so I set it as my ringtone.
Well, with the players.
And yes,
all three of these guys fit that.
and yes, Justin Bieber's song is on Gundy's answering machine as well. In fact, he just answered his phone with the Bieber song on it.